And we are in front of the clever Aventuro 600 with the Sky Up pop-up roof. And this is an interesting add-on with a big tower fridge of 100 liters. And one thing that this stands apart from the others is that you can put a fourth sitting bench right up here, and when you don't need it, you just fold it back. So this is a wider seat, and then you can put another seat right up here. Well, it will use much more space, but you have an option for a four-seater. And then just a standard kitchen with a pneumatic double gas with sink. And then we have three pretty good size cabinets and work space, and another cabinet right up there. On this part we have a pretty good standard toilet, Thetford cassette toilet, two storage units right up there, sliding door, and on this upper part, well, additional two cabinets with a push cabinet on this side and another push cabinet on this side. Pretty great. And then we have the Sky Up pop-up roof that will add space and, well, sleeping area. If we go down and check from the back up part, we have kitchen, two cabinets, and then on the back part additional two cabinets, and they're pretty deep. And if we measure the actual bed, the bed size will be 2 meter, almost 2 meter and 1 centimeter, so pretty long for your legs because it can slide out. And the widest part of the bed will 1.3, depends on where you measure it. So getting out, we have a bigger step right up there, and on the back this is the slide out part. It gives you much more space for your legs, so you can check the slide out and how big it is. So you are using this slide out when you are at camp and not driving around. And this is the garage space. It's not the biggest one in the market, but we are measuring around 1.376, and at the highest part about 0.76. And this is the fourth sitting situation to use when you are actually driving with 4 people. Not bad at all. So this is the clever Aventuro with the complete price of 119,837 and base price 98,990. And this is everything that's added, and it's in 3.5 tons, so pretty great if you have just a B class. But then if you want to add all of that, you are going to 4.1 tons. There you go, clever Aventuro.